Good afternoon, welcome to MarineMax Stuart. Today we're looking at this amazing piece of inventory, 2024 Boston Whaler 38 Outrage. This boat is equipped with the optional twin 600 horsepower outboards, state-of-the-art engines, super quiet, extended service periods. As we come aboard, 38, tremendous cockpit area. This one has a summer kitchen, which has a nice countertop, plenty of storage, and your grill. This boat is well equipped with cockpit table, starboard side seating, generous live well in the transom. There's your black powder coat, teak package, 16-inch display, seatkeeper stabilization, tremendous bow area for entertaining, fishing, storage. Great electronics, premium sound, and so much more. If you have questions about this boat or any boat in the MarineMax inventory, my name is Dan Thompson, and you can reach me at 978-375-1584. Thank you again, and look forward to seeing you on the water.